Free at home workout 220801. Today, 1 squat clean and press, 1 push up. Every round, add 1 rep, 6 minutes, as many rounds as possible. Hi, howdy, it's Coach Dave, Wolfpack 33. Welcome aboard. Today's free at home workout of the day is 220801. We're going to go through the warm up. We're going to go through the points of performance, and then we're going to hit the WOD. Today we're doing a 3-minute warm-up. It's 5 air squats, 1 inchworm plus a push-up, and then 5 up-downs. That's a 3-minute AMRAP. Today's WOD, 6 minutes, as many rounds as possible, of 1 squat clean and press, and 1 push-up. On your air squats, hips go straight back, hips below parallel to the knees, squeeze the glutes to come up, breathing in and out only at the top. Go ahead and give me 5 air squats. Inchworm, walk yourself out to the plank. If you got the push-up, add that. Walk yourself back up, squeeze your glutes to come up. Up downs, you can either step back and step in, or jump back and jump in. It's the top half of a burpee. It'll get your heart rate up, lubricate the joints and central nervous system for the work ahead. Go ahead and give me 3 minutes, 5 air squats, 1 inchworm with a push-up, 5 up-downs. Today's workout, you can do it with a barbell, a kettlebell, dumbbells. I have an odd object. I have a 40-pound sandbag from Brute Force. I'll put a link below for a video I want you to watch. It's a tutorial called How I Lost 23 Pounds in 12 Weeks, Eating 3 to 4 pounds of food a day. If you're looking for help with your eating when it comes to performance, weight loss, setting PRs in the gym, fitting into a skinny jeans in the back of the closet, whatever you need, I'll put a link to the tutorial in the first comment, and then I'll put a card at the end as well. Go ahead and keep doing these rounds of warm-up. This will prime your central nervous system. Get everything fine-tuned, woken up, shake off the rust. I like to do warm-ups that include performance or movements that are going to be done in the workout of the day. All right, let's go ahead and finish up our warm-up. After the warm-up, grab a quick sip of water if you want. Get your gear handy. It's either going to be a dumbbell or dumbbells, kettlebell or kettlebells, barbell or an odd object like a sandbag. Today's workout is squat cleans and press and push-ups. We're going to go through the points of performance on all of that. If you've never done an inchworm before, it builds the wrist, elbow, shoulder capacity, mid-back. We like to do wall walks, handstands for some athletes, pike push-ups. So the inchworm is a precursor to all of that. All right, good warm-up. I'm going to go through the points of performance, first with the kettlebell. If you're using a single weight, you're going to lower it by pushing your hips back, feet just outside the hips, and you're going to push through the earth and bring it up to your chest. And look at that change in grip. Squat down. Watch your elbows on your knees and press it overhead. Watch your face. So there you go. Tight back, clean it, squat it. And then you can either pause and push press it or strict press it. If you're doing it one-handed, watch the slap as the kettlebell hits your arms. Load the glutes. Do a little 1-inch push press to use the glutes and hamstrings. With a barbell, with a sandbag, the weight is above the midfoot, feet are outside the hips. You're going to pull quietly by setting your lats back, pulling to the knees, then exploding up, catching it, careful into that squat, and then little jerk. Load the glutes to get that push press. Go ahead and give me 3 to 5 of these. You want a weight where you can pretty much go 5 unbroken at least. In 6 minutes, you're going to get into the 4s or 5s. You know, depending on your weight and your mobility and your conditioning, you might get into the 9s or 10s. Push-ups from the knees, unlock your hip. That is not a knee push-up. You're going to go into table position. Drop the hips and chest down. Don't lean on the floor. You're tight there. Push up back into table. One more time. Lower slowly. The negative builds the power. Pause. Come back up to table. Otherwise, a normal push-up, your shirt touches the floor but nothing else. Toes and hands. Give me the best quality push-ups you can today. Today, I'm going off the sandbag, take a little pressure off my front delts. So it's like a raised push-up. I'm pushing up off the sandbag. So it's 1 squat, clean, and press, 1 push-up, 6 minutes, AMRAP, as many rounds as possible. If you go out too hot, it's a trap, and the middle rounds are going to be really rough. I'm using the Smart WOD timer on my phone, setting it to a 6-minute. I like to go EMOM because it beeps at the 30 seconds and gives you a 10-second countdown. Smart WOD timer, 40-pound sandbag, quality on the round of 1s, 2s, and 3s. If you go too fast, it'll hurt your 4s and 5s. Here we go. Lats are tight. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 squat, clean, and press. 1 push-up. All right, let's go to work. Now, because of the weight, you notice I'm just pressing straight up out of the squat. You may recognize that as a thruster, but when you clean it from the floor, it's actually called a cluster. And yeah, they're rough, especially if you're going 95, 135. Today, you use what you got, and you do the best you can. Every rep is from the floor, full squat, press it overhead. Round of 3s and we're a minute in, and you realize, oh my gosh, 5 more minutes of this. Let's go. I'm breathing out at the top, in at the top, and I'm bracing my core all the way down and up through the squat. So breathing is essential at the top. It actually slightly slows down your rep count, so you're not holding your breath. Okay, we're done the 4s. I'm going to take through. I wanted to get some water. Look at that mind trick. Here, I'll go check the kettlebell. These little things we do to try to buy time. What I should be doing is 3 deep breaths, touch the handles. You don't want to pick it up, but if you can touch the handles, the body does the rest. If the glutes are getting lazy in the squat, here you think hip drive, and that forces the hips to engage, saving the shoulders and triceps for the push-ups. Here we go. Get your composure. 3 deep breaths, and then grab the handles. At this point, my brain is screaming, just stay as every minute on the minute. Extra breath, pretending to look at the clock, the sun glare. Here in Mexico, it's 8 a.m. and it's already in the 30s. All right, come on, let's go. Dig in. Home stretch. Round of sevens. I know you want to go faster, but remember, smooth is fast. Focus on being smooth and calculating. With a high heart rate and high breathing, you're in distress. You want to maintain your composure. Exaggerate the breathing at the top. Buy those milliseconds of recovery time. And go into the pain cave. Just keep pushing. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finish the round of sevens. I thought that we're out of time. Oh, check the glare. Oh, we got 1 minute left. Let's go. What can we do in 1 minute? Oh, we did a fast edit there. I'll put the round of eights at the start so you can see. So, what did we do today? We won the day because we worked out. Your recovery, drink your water, cold shower, cool down walk, some yoga and stretching. I'll put a link to that tutorial, how I lost 23 pounds in 12 weeks, eating 3 to 4 pounds of food a day. It's a eating, nutrition, and diet tutorial. We won the day, Wolfpack. Did good. We'll back at it again tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to our wolfpack33.com newsletter, make sure you grab that. And check out that eating tutorial. I'll put the link wherever I put the link. The warm-up, 3-minute AMRAP, 5 air squats, 1 inchworm and push-up, 5 up-downs, 6-minute AMRAP, 1 squat clean and press, 1 push-up. Good job, Wolfpack. I appreciate you. You won the